After extended hands-on testing, the OneOdio Studio Max One wireless DJ headphones emerge as a thoughtfully engineered, performance-focused solution that successfully bridges professional and everyday audio needs. The combination of ultra-low latency wireless technology, long battery life, high-resolution audio support, and robust physical design makes these headphones particularly compelling for DJs, musicians, content creators, and advanced users who demand flexibility without sacrificing precision. Rather than positioning itself as a lifestyle accessory with added features, the Studio Max One feels like a genuine work tool that happens to be wireless, comfortable, and highly adaptable. For users seeking a single headphone capable of handling stage performance, studio work, gaming, and daily listening with equal confidence, this is one of the most convincing all-in-one wireless solutions currently available in its category.